I'm going to show you how to tie a Palomar knot on a hook. This is my go-to knot. This is a very strong knot, and it's good for largemouth bass. Largemouth bass usually take cover in structure, thick grass, and you need a very strong knot in order to take them out of their cover. So this is the way you do it. I usually go towards, I start from the point or the barb or the hook, the point, and I'll go through the eye of the hook, and I give myself a good amount, that's probably about half a foot, and then I'm going to go back the other way and go through the same way I came in. I'm going to pull the tag in. This is the tag in, and this is your main. This is what's attached to your rod, and now you got this loop here, and I'm going to give myself a little bit more room on the loop while holding on to the tag end of the line. All you're going to do now is grab your loop, and you're just going to make a overhand knot. Once you make an overhand knot, cinch it. You don't have to go really tight, just snug. Then you got this loop, then you got your main line and your tag. Now we're gonna get, now this is the trick. This is what's gonna actually lock in your hook, lock in the knot. So you're gonna pass the hook through the loop and make sure everything is on top of the eye. You don't want it tangled up on the shaft of the hook. Once you get to this point here, you lubricate the line with saliva or water, and you just pull on the main line until it cinches tight. And then you grab the tag and you also pull on that as well. Once you get a very nice tight knot, then you could just snap off the tag line and you got yourself a very strong knot. If you want to see me rig a Texas rig using a plastic worm, click on the box above and we'll show you how to Texas rig.